Today I'm going to show you how to fill in this hole. It's usually where the deadbolt goes, but we don't need a deadbolt on this door, and the door came this way, so I'm going to show you a real easy way to fill in this hole. I've purchased this 2 stainless steel plates and a screw at a home improvement store, and want to put the edge without the screw on the outside and put the screw on the inside. Just get it line up the screw with the threaded part that's on the outside. You want to make sure that you get it in the middle. And this one is a Phillips style screw. Tighten it up. That gives you a really nice seal, watertight, and you're done. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.